The sounds are all wrong.
Bumpy Dog spent the whole afternoon running round and switching sounds.
Sounds are mixed up all over Toy Town.
I didn't mean to. I just wanted to play.
Have everyone and everything with criss-cross sounds come to the town square. I can put everything back to normal. We need to find out where each sound belongs. We've already switched back Miss Pink Cat's voice and Bumpy Dog's bark.
And not a moment too soon. My beautiful voice was never meant to be stuck in a dog's throat.
Does my voice sound funny?
Yes, it really does. Was that me?
It sounds like Master Toby Bear has your voice, Martha Monkey, and you have his. Don't worry, just talk into these cups and your voices will switch back. That doesn't sound like a skittle falling down. It sounds more like a ball. Your wobbles sound like either Clockwork Clown or Clockwork Mouse, Mr. Wobbly Man. Let's listen. Aha! You swapped sounds with Clockwork Clown. Oh no! You sound like a cow. Is there a cow out there?
Make way, everyone.
Hello, Noddy.
Don't worry, Big Ears. I can switch your voice back. This doesn't sound like an elephant call. Somebody better get the fire engine. Boy, am I tired. What time is it? How did you manage to crisscross those sounds? Oh well, I'd better switch them back. I'm glad these are the last crisscross sounds.